Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the February Boxycharm unboxing. As usual, I have the base box, a lot of bees. So we are going to be opening this up, seeing what I got for the month of February. I have high hopes, but as usual, I have no idea what's inside here. I didn't peek. I'm totally clueless to what is in the box, so I'm really excited to open it. Before we get into unboxing this, please make sure to give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means the world to me if you do, so thank you so much. But if you want to see me unbox the February Boxycharm box, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so as usual, I got the base box, so I believe it's like 25 bucks a month for each box that you get, if that makes sense. This one is pretty thick. It's thicker than they usually are, so I feel like we have some big products in here, which I am pretty excited about. So typically on the box, it just says Boxycharm, and then when you open it up, I opened the slit already because one time I was trying to get it open on camera and my camera fell, and I'm not gonna do that again. So I cut the slit open already, but when you open it up, it just says Boxycharm again, and then the Instagram handle and the hashtag. So on the inside, I can already see there's some big stuff in here, and as usual, we get 5 products in the box. So the first product is from Beaute. It's the Nostalgia palette. I've actually gotten quite a few products from the brand Beaute in my Boxycharm boxes in the past. I think this is like my 3rd product that I've gotten from that brand. So it says the Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. That sounds amazing. And it goes for $38.99, so about $39. Let's see where that's at. So it came in this little bubble wrap to protect it. And oh, this packaging is so cute. It's not heavy or anything, like it feels like it wasn't expensive to make. Not in a bad way. I'm not saying that's bad or that the product is bad because of it. But you know, like some products really have a lot of weight to them. And this is not one of those things, just so that you guys have an idea. But basically it's the same exact thing when you open or take it out of the box. I do really like the pattern of this though. I feel like it's a really pretty palette just looking at it like this. Like if I were to do this, I'd feel pretty nice. So when you open this, oh, guys. Are you ready for this? I am so excited right now. These are some very bold colors, not typically what I grab for because you guys know I'm a natural glam kind of girl, but I would not be against trying some of these and doing some fun, bright looks with them. So I'm gonna swatch these and I'll be right back to show you how they swatch on my arm and how they feel, all that good stuff, so give me 1 second. I'm back, I did some swatches. Just a little warning for you guys, these colors definitely stain. Like after swatching all 15 shades, this is what we're working with on my hands, but I'm okay with that if the shades themselves are very vibrant and end up turning out that way on a look as well. And let me just show you these swatches because they speak for themselves. Like, are you kidding me? Especially this hot pink right here. It was literally screaming my name. As soon as I swatched this, I was like, I'm done. That's it. Look no further. Like these are all really, really, really amazing. Again, would I use these like every day? Definitely not. But these are gonna be so much fun to play around with and try out new like vibrant, bright eye looks with. and dipping my finger in them, they were all so buttery smooth and soft, and just, they felt really, really good. And the color payoff reflected that as well. So I'm extremely impressed with how these shades turned out. The next product that we have is from Saturday Skin. It's the YUZU Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Ooh, I'm gonna be using that tonight. It's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. Literally all my problems. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus, and it goes for $29. That seriously sounds so nice. I'm definitely gonna be using that tonight because my skin needs some TLC. It's just been giving me a hard time lately, so I'm hoping this will help. But this is what the actual box looks like. Again, from Saturday Skin. Oh, this packaging is adorable. Ooh, look at this. So when you open this up, oh, I love this. So it comes with a little scooper, so you scoop the product out and just like, but I wanna take this off and see what the actual product is like. Oh my God, it's actually yellow. It doesn't have a strong smell to it. It's really, really subtle, but you can definitely smell like the hint of citrus in there. But this is what the inside looks like literally a yellow jelly. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand just so we can see what the texture is like. So I'm just scooping it off the lid. Oh God, this is gonna be messy. Okay, so I scooped it off the lid. It's really, really runny, that I will say. And it has these little like yellow chunks in it too, so it's not a totally smooth consistency, but it feels really cold. I don't know if it's because this was outside and I just grabbed it from the mailbox and I'm filming this right now, or if it's like an actual cold product, but it feels really cooling and it feels really nice, to be honest. It's very, very runny, and I would say it's really thin. It's not a thick consistency at all, but it feels very hydrating. Like, I feel like the back of my hands have been extremely dry, like cracking how dry they are because it's so cold out. And I feel like this is really moisturizing my knuckles and the back of my hand. So it feels really, really good. I don't know performance-wise what it does just yet, but we will see because I'm gonna test it out tonight. I need something like this in my life, so this will definitely be used. Moving on to the next product, we have from Wander Beauty, the Double Date Lip and Cheek. It says, get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. And it goes for $22. Okay, so when I open it, if I can open it. Ooh, I've been getting a lot of duos lately, just in general. I'm confused. I see. Okay, so both of them can be used on the lips and the cheeks. So this, you guys already know I love this color. It's like that perfect peachy shade. It kind of matches my lips right now, actually. Not even on purpose, but I like it. And then there's like a clear at the bottom. I know I read it on there, but it confused me for a second. Like, why would that go on my lips and my cheeks? But I understand it now. So let me just do a little swatch of both on the back of my hand. Sorry, I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So I'm dipping my finger in here. It definitely feels like a balm for sure. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at this. You guys already know I'm gonna love that one, and I'm going to use that. I feel like this is the perfect consistency for like a no makeup day when you don't want to wear any foundation on your face, but you still want like a little flush of color on your cheeks. This consistency of the product I feel like would be perfect for that, because I don't know how well this would work with a foundation. I almost feel like because it's a balm, it might rub off the foundation, but on its own, I feel like it would look absolutely stunning. And then the clear one, I feel like it's gonna be a similar concept to the Makeup by Mario highlighter. So I'm just dipping my finger into that. Sorry if I dye this a little bit. Still recovering from those eyeshadows. The clear one feels really, really good too. And I feel like, to be totally honest, I don't see myself using the clear one on my cheeks too much because again, I'll try it, but I probably won't typically use this with a foundation on top, and I just don't know how much the clear is gonna do for me on a no makeup day. So I probably am going to be using more of this peachy shade because I love this color so much and it's just gonna be perfect for no makeup days. So that's gonna be what I use the next time I'm not wearing makeup and I still wanna look cute. So I really like how they feel. They're both very soft. So I do really, really like this concept, and I love these duos that I've been getting lately because it's so easy and so travel friendly. Love that. The next product that I got is from Glamiere, which I've never heard of before, and it is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. So it says, glittery, enchanting, and fun, this set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. I don't know why that was so hard for me to get out, I'm sorry. And it goes for $29.95. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. This packaging almost reminds me of like Libby Lou. I don't know why, but that's what this reminds me of. So oh, I see what the inside looks like already and I need to rip this open. I already love it. Okay, so I probably won't use this little pouch to be totally honest, but how adorable is this? Oh my God. If these are not the cutest brushes I've ever seen in my life, then I don't even know what I've been doing with my life. This is so cute. I am definitely gonna be using these. I pray that the brushes themselves are actually good because I want to be using this a lot. This is adorable. This brush, so far the only one I've opened, feels really soft. I don't know how it's gonna perform with eyeshadows. Feels okay. So I would say this is more of like a kind of blending brush. And then we have another little blending type brush. An angled brush. This is gonna be perfect for smoky liner looks, which I've been really into lately, so I'm definitely gonna be using that for that. And then we have one of these little pencil type brushes. So I think a really nice set of 4 brushes. Definitely gonna be using them. I wanna see if I like them or not, but I really love the packaging, so I pray that they're good. But the last product that I got in my box for the month is from St. Luxe Beauty, and it is the limited edition liner duo. So it says, this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. And it says it goes for $40, so that is expensive. Let's see what it's all about then. So this is the little box that it comes in. I like the packaging of that. Ooh, I actually really like the packaging. It's like this sheer pale pink. It's almost like my nails. I know my nails are kind of messed up right now, so ignore that, but it's really similar to what my nails are, which I love. And we got the shades Secret Admirer and Love Letter. So let me swatch these for you guys. Oh yes. Okay, so I feel like me personally, I'm gonna be grabbing more for Love Letter because this is the type of nude that I love. But Secret Admirer, this brown right here, is going to be also very perfect for when I want a darker lip. They both went on really smooth. I love how pointy the tip is. Also, I feel like you can be a lot more precise when the tip is this pointy. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but for now I really like it, and the packaging just looks expensive. Like, it feels really nice. So I really like these so far, and you're probably gonna be seeing me wearing them in a video very soon because I wanna play around with them. That's all I got in the box for this month. So I definitely think that this month's box was an improvement from last month's. I know in last month's box there were a few things that I didn't really care for too much, but in this one I really like everything, and I'm really interested to try everything that I got in here. Like, these eyeshadows, the pigment is insane. I feel like my arm and my fingers are gonna be stained for a hot minute, but I don't even care because this is amazing. This mask I'm literally using as soon as I take my makeup off tonight because I want to test that out. I need all the love my skin can get. That little duo, definitely using that. And the brushes, oh my god, you guys, I just want to keep them on my vanity because I love the pink girliness of them. And the lip liners, like I said, I'm going to be using ASAP. So everything caught my eye, everything this month intrigued me, and I'm really excited to play around with these more and see kind of where my opinion sways once I've tried everything a couple times. But as far as a first impression goes, I love everything. I really like this box, and I'm so excited to just rip everything open and use it. So that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment and let me know what you think about the products that I got in this month's box. If you have a Boxycharm subscription, let me know if you got any of the same products or if we have the same box. I'm always so interested to hear what you guys got too. So make sure to comment, say hello. Please make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me if you didn't do that already. And please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep growing. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.